everyone. I am Dr. Anam Munawwar, and here I am going to talk about my idea, which is the CardioGuardian system. Just imagine annually how many number of deaths are reported within the ambulance because of their late diagnosis, and those patients couldn't arrive towards the medical sophisticated equipments. As we are targeting the cardiac disease, let me tell you a few facts about that. Around 35% annual deaths are reported because of the cardiac diseases. An ingenious idea is this: if we will be able to detect any disease at an early stage, ultimately we will be able to increase the survival rate. No doubt, many conventional diagnostic approaches are already available into the market, but these are expensive. And in the end, only a technical person will be able to read out the results. Here we are providing a solution which is based on the nanomaterials, nanotechnology, and these devices can provide the results. And in the end, due to the visual detection, even a layperson will be able to read out the results. Basically, CardioGuardian system is a wearable gadget. It be having a dual functionality. First one is the monitoring the heartbeat rate. It behaves just like an ECG system. The second one is the controlled medication release, controlled and targeted medication release. No matter whatsoever our background is, but we must aware about this thing that due to the self-medication, misuse and overuse of medication, we have developed the antimicrobial resistivity. And right now it's quite alarming in Pakistan that we are using the 4th generation of medication. By using this controlled and targeted medication release, we can overcome on this thing. As technology is developing day by day, and we want to learn more about the technology. And for that purpose, I really want you to support my idea to visit this Silicon Valley. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anam.